Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change your Microsoft Store region. To begin, please open the Start menu on your computer, typically found in the bottom left corner. Next, click on the Settings icon, which often resembles a small gear. This initial step will open your main system settings window, which is where we will find our next option for adjusting your location preferences. It's a very straightforward first step. Now that your settings window is open, you need to locate time and language. Click on this section, and a new panel will appear. On the left-hand navigation pane, you will see several options. Please choose Region from this list. This will bring up your current country or region settings, allowing you to make precise adjustments that reflect your actual location. You will now see your current country or region displayed. Below this, there is a drop-down menu. Click on this menu to reveal a comprehensive list of all available countries and regions worldwide. Carefully scroll through and select your intended new location. For example, if you are moving from the United States to Canada, you would simply choose Canada from the list to update your store. Once you have chosen your new region, simply close the Settings window. For the changes to properly take effect across all applications, including the Microsoft Store, it is often necessary to restart your computer. After restarting, open the Microsoft Store again. You should now observe content, pricing, and app availability specific to your newly selected country or region, ensuring everything is correctly updated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.